minor. And which one am I doing? G is E minor, yes. Thank you. Sorry. But it's not that one then, because I put it to D minor.
Oh, right. So that's F major.
But it wasn't G. It was like this before. Easiest shit. She's gone now. My day has turned to night. That's how it was. But then it starts again on a G, and then I spend like
you could
1.5
move down,
fingers.
go down.
So now what I've done is she's gone now. My day has turned to night. She's gone now. Vanished from my side. See what I mean? Did you pick up the difference?
Yeah.
Because otherwise I'm just a lot of time on G, even adding the seventh, still. Okay.
Brahms wrote this tune, but
And Sergei Rachmaninoff.
Hmm?
And Rachmaninoff. What's this Rachmaninoff part? What's I'm talking about? She's gone now. My day is turned to night. She's gone now. Vanished from my sight. Her plane has left the runway far behind.
you know Stevie Wonder. Do you know Stevie Wonder?
Yeah.
He and Miles Davis had one thing in common. They were always behind the beat. He says, colored people are always behind the beat, and Europeans are always in front of the beat. I want you to try and go behind the beat.
What, in this melody?
Yeah, in that third line, for example.
Which is
Don't do it in an eighths.
So not do it like that.
No, do it. Da 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 da.
The plane has left the runway. The plane has left the runway. The plane has left the runway far behind.
That's it. Beautiful. That's it. You got it.
That's what I want. That's what I want. Her plane has left the runway far behind. Her goodbye words are fading from my mind. I guess we're both on our own different ways, returning to ordinary ways.
Returning to our ordinary lives.
To ordinary days.
And change it to lives. Did I already do a copy of that? Much better.
Lives?
I was going to put nights, but I thought, no, it's too obvious. It's returning to our ordinary lives.
Right now it sounds like.
Isn't that better?
Let's have a look. Her plane has left the runway far behind. Her goodbye words are fading from my mind. I guess we're both on our own different ways, returning to ordinary lives, returning to ordinary days. Absolutely. Yeah. So it doesn't repeat the ways again here as well. Cool.
So then there's that bit I wrote to make it not so samey.
Which you sent me on my messenger.
Bum, ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum.
But as a instrumental or
No, it's just a lyric. I gave you a lyric for it. Do you not have it?
on what? Oh, on my email, which I can't access it.
I didn't bring any music. And I didn't bring my lyrics.
Where would you put it? In the
After
the second verse?
Yep,
So like a bridge.
you can, yeah. It's like a bridge.
Do you remember the melody?
Yeah.
Not the lyrics, okay. So
Da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum, ba. This is the beginning of the third movement,
Yeah.
or the end of the second. Boom. Now listen. Bum, 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 bum. There you are, that's it.
okay, alright.
Nice tune.
That's gonna help me.
So how did things go so wrong between us when everything started to blow? She became a dodgy.
Same chord. So it's just going backwards and forwards with C and G. So
Yeah,
in
but
terms of
then
the
it goes.
harmony, it's not bad. And then that other part you were saying goes to G. You want it here.
It was the orchestra's violinist who played so out of tune and turned our harmonies into discords and ended our song too soon. Yeah,
Oh, is that like a story?
yeah.
Cool.
It's like
Not cool, but you know.
he's going back after a broken love affair, and he stops in the middle and says, "Well, who the hell did this to us?" So what was?
Fashion slipped away, so yeah, it's definitely keeping on C to D. Okay, yeah, I've got that in my email. I'll look it up and add the lyrics
It's
to
on
it.
YouTube.
You sent me the link.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can see, you
Yeah,
can
I've
hear
got
them
that.
sing
I've
all
heard
the
that,
things.
yeah.
Okay.
But this one's very helpful as well.
Well, that's the original. Yeah, I think it's a good contrast from.
Yeah, I changed the chords here, so this one would be different from that one as well. Cool. And then this one will be the same as the first one.
Okay.
Well,
Well,
bridge,
so that's the bridge.
which I have the